In the heart of the forest, Barnaby the bear slumbers deeply, his thunderous snores shattering the morning peace. The forest creatures' voices rise in a symphony of annoyance, as birds scatter in panicked flight and squirrels chatter in furious protest. The rabbits thump their feet, signaling their displeasure at the rude disruption of Barnabas' slumber. Barnabas' noisy slumber transforms the tranquil forest into a scene of utter chaos and unrest. Deep within the rabbit hole, a community of rabbits huddles, ears plugged tight with cotton, their noses twitching in collective irritation. In a moment of exasperation, Rabbit 1 cries out, "I can't take it anymore. Barnabas' snoring is driving me mad." Rabbit 2, echoing the sentiment, laments, "It's been going on day and night. We need to find a solution." Rabbit 3 emphatically declares, "Something has to be done about this noisy problem." Barnaby awakens in the heart of the forest, a pang of guilt piercing his conscience for disrupting its serene embrace. Driven by remorse, he vows to discover a secluded sanctuary where his presence will not defile the forest's delicate balance. He ventures deeper into the verdant depths, his gaze sweeping across the landscape in search of the perfect, undisturbed haven. Each step carries him further into nature's embrace, where he hopes to find a place untouched and serene. In the heart of the forest, a troop of rabbits trails Barnaby, their hopes hanging on his every move as they navigate the silent woods. Whispers and suppressed giggles ripple through the ranks as the rabbits keep a wary distance, their eyes fixed on the looming figure of a lumbering bear. A lumbering bear unwittingly becomes the center of their quest, its massive form a stark contrast to the rabbits' delicate hopes. Hidden behind a curtain of cascading water, a mysterious cave beckons, promising solace to the weary traveler. Drawn by the allure of tranquility, Barnaby hesitantly steps into the unknown, seeking refuge from the world outside. The cool, damp air of the cave envelops Barnaby, offering a momentary escape and a chance to gather his thoughts. The secret cave glimmers with an otherworldly beauty, its glowing crystals casting an enchanting spell as Barnaby succumbs to sleep. Barnabas' snores echo through the mystical cavern, transforming the silence into a strangely melodic symphony. At the cave entrance, anticipation hangs heavy in the air as the rabbits prepare for their usual noisy welcome. A melody, ethereal and enchanting, floats from the cave, defying all expectations and turning their world upside down. Eyes widening with wonder, the rabbits cautiously peek inside, their expressions mirroring stunned delight. Deep within the secret cave, the glowing crystals pulsate in harmony with Barnabas' snores, weaving a magical melody. Drawn by the enchanting symphony, the rabbits cautiously venture into the cave, their eyes wide with wonder. The rabbits are spellbound by the sound. In the secret cave, Barnaby slumbers on, oblivious to the whimsical revelry about to unfold. The cavern resonates with the rhythm of Barnaby's snores, transforming the hidden space into an impromptu concert hall. The rabbits orchestrate a dance, their tiny forms weaving through the cavern in time with Barnabas' symphony of snores. Drawn by enchanting melodies, forest creatures gather, their annoyance with Barnaby melting away in a shared moment of awe. Outside Barnabas' cave, a symphony of nature's enchantment unfolds, silencing past grievances with harmonious wonder. In the heart of a secret cave, Barnaby awakens with a start, finding himself the focus of an unusual audience. Surrounded by a silent menagerie, Barnabas' confusion deepens as he realizes he is the center of their rapt attention. The rabbits declare in unison, "Your snores, amplified by the cave, create beautiful music." At the mouth of a cave, Barnabas' serene snores echo through the forest, a daily symphony for his woodland audience. The forest awakens to Barnabas' slumber, as creatures gather, drawn to the enchanting lullaby. Contentment radiates from Barnaby as he snoozes, his rhythmic breaths weaving a spell of peace throughout the woods. In the heart of the forest, Barnabas' snores become a symphony of nature's delight. Squirrels pirouette to the beat of each exhale, their tiny paws barely touching the moss-covered ground. Birds serenade in harmony, their melodies weaving seamlessly with the gentle rhythm of Barnabas' breath. Rabbits hop joyfully, their bounding steps perfectly timed to match the cadence of Barnabas' peaceful slumber. In the heart of a secret cave, Barnaby slumbers peacefully, encircled by loyal friends. The cave is bathed in the radiant glow of mystical crystals, casting a spellbinding warmth upon the scene. The soft light dances across the faces of Barnaby's friends, reflecting their unwavering loyalty and affection. Under the cloak of night, the forest is hushed, save for the gentle symphony of Barnabas' snores, which lull every creature into tranquil slumber. The enchanting music of Barnabas' snores envelops the forest, creating a sanctuary of dreams for all its inhabitants. In the heart of the forest, Barnaby is hailed as a hero, his once annoying snores now celebrated as a symphony of joy. The forest creatures express their heartfelt gratitude, their eyes sparkling with genuine affection for their newfound hero. Barnaby smiles, his heart swelling with happiness, as he realizes he has inadvertently brought joy to his beloved friends. Barnaby expresses his happiness with a heartwarming smile. Barnaby smiles, happy to have found a way to bring joy to his friends.